creamy chicken and wild rice soup. Ingredients: How to make it. Step 1. Heat a Dutch oven over medium-high. Add bacon to pan, cook 4 minutes or until crisp. Remove bacon from pan with a slotted spoon, reserving 1 tablespoon drippings. Add onion, carrot, and celery to drippings in pan, sauté 3 minutes. Add thyme, mushrooms, and garlic, sauté 5 minutes. Add stock and 1 cup water, bring to a boil. Reduce heat, and simmer 8 minutes or until vegetables are tender. Add kale, salt, and pepper, cook 3 minutes. Stir in chicken and rice. Step 2. Combine half and half and flour in bowl, stirring with a whisk. Stir into soup, cook 2 minutes or until thickened. Top with bacon,